Bajaj Majesty ICX7 induction cooktop is a durable and reliable cooking appliance. It is a great choice for anyone who prefers to get quality performance for years. Hello everyone, welcome to Homeplace. In this video, I will review Bajaj ICX7 induction cooktop. So, buckle up, let's see what this cooktop is worthy of. To watch such incredible videos in future, subscribe us and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish a video like this. So, let's check out the benefits that you will get from this induction cooktop. The cooktop is compact enough to store anywhere. It measures 43.41 centimeters in length, 35.99 centimeters wide, and 20.8 centimeters deep. Also, it weighs 3.72 kilograms, so it can be carried comfortably. Its solid construction enhances the Bajaj Majesty ICX7 induction cooktop's design. The panel has a ceramic coating that gives it a modern look. It is a pleasure to cook with the overall design. The tactile switch with the induction stove provides you a better grip. You can prepare any dish with touchable switch options. With an easy push-type control panel, you get brilliant cooking menus. So, you can cook regular dishes with these 8 preset cooking menus, which are stew, soup, braise, boil, fry, deep fry, hot pot, and stir fry. The maximum power consumption is 1900 watts and the minimum is 120 watts. This makes the Bajaj Majesty ICX7 induction cooktop ideal for the useful wattage range. This high power can be used to boil all types of hard vegetables and meat. The operating voltage is between 130 volts and 260 volts AC. It implies that a minor voltage fluctuation does not affect it. The induction cooker has many safety features. It will not start working unless you have a suitable vessel. It will stop working if you don't put a vessel on the stovetop for at least 1 minute. This lock automatically saves you and your loved ones from unwanted hazards. Bajaj ICX7 cooktop has a powerful induction coil. The large cooking surface ensures that heat is evenly distributed. You can batch cook effectively because no heat is lost. You can thus cook for many people at once. You also have 8 preset menus and tactile switches that provide default cooking options. To cook your regular dishes, you will need to choose them. This will reduce the cooking time. It would be a good idea to change your busy schedule. Tact switch controls allow you to adjust the cooking time of different dishes. It features a simple-to-use touch panel that is stylish and easy to use. The tact switch allows you to tailor your cooking according to your preferences. Simply touch any of the cooking options and you're done. That's all there is to it. It doesn't slip or move while cooking with it. This is a very useful feature. Advantages of Bajaj Majesty ICX7 induction cooktop. 1. 8 preset cooking menus to create a variety of dishes. 2. It is user-friendly for the LED display option. 3. Tact switches make it easier to choose or select the menu. 4. The large heating area allows you to cook for the entire family. 5. The sturdy 1900 watts induction cooker can boil tough vegetables and meat. 6. The safety lock protects against electrical and thermal danger. 7. You can cook efficiently by choosing the right timer and temperature for your dish. 8. The cooktop operates between 130 volts to 260 volts AC, making it work even during voltage fluctuations. The disadvantages. 1. It is a bit pricey. 2. Only 1 year of warranty available with the induction cooktop. By now, you may have understood how worthy is this induction cooktop. In the Bajaj Majesty ICX7 induction cooktop review, I covered every detail. Clearly, the pros outweigh the cons. This cooktop is great for everyday cooking for a long period of time. It has many options and features that make it easy to use. I have added the product link in the description of this video. If you find it worthy, check it out. If you like our recommendations, visit our website at www.homeplace.in. to get reviews and buying guides of home and kitchen appliances.